Well, new tonight, prosecutors say a former NFL player accused of murder used Chat GPT to come up with an alibi for his alleged crime. A preliminary hearing took place Monday in Chattanooga for Darron Lee. Sarah Hauer has more on the evidence presented during the court proceedings.
Wasn't saying anything, that's why I called 911 immediately. I'm like, well, what is going on?
In this newly released body camera video, you can hear Lee tell deputies he doesn't know what happened.
What the hell happened? Like, I was out. I was sleeping a long time.
But prosecutors presented more than body camera video in court. They also introduced messages they say Lee sent to Chat GPT.
I wake up and she has 2 swollen eyes. I didn't do anything self-inflicted. She stabbed herself, split her eye.
That's a detective reading messages prosecutors say were sent the day before Lee called 911. Prosecutors also displayed the AI tool's response, which included the line, "Here's what to say," without framing it as police trouble. District Attorney Cody Womp told the court Lee used ChatGPT as a, quote, legal advisor.
He has conversations, dozens of conversations back and forth with ChatGPT over a 2-day period about what he did to Gabriella Perpetua in detail. He asks how to cover it up. He asks what to say to 911.
Prosecutors say those exchanges help establish their timeline of events, something the head of UTC's Criminal Justice Department says raises broader questions.
The use of AI in criminal activity is something we're increasingly dealing with in the courts.
Dr. Rick Dierenfeld points to this recent federal ruling where a judge found conversations with a public AI platform are not protected by attorney-client privilege.
That's not privileged information. It's a third-party platform. So you've in effect waived your confidentiality. These user agreements, when you sign those, you're actually publishing anything that you enter there publicly.
Now, that professor also says as more people use AI instead of traditional search engines, courts will likely see more digital conversations introduced as evidence in criminal trials.